Hi, I'm Tim at Harrods Peugeot in Dorchester. I'm here with a little teaser of this 308 GT estate. If you're looking for a family car, medium-sized family car, or something with just extra space, it's still good fun, then this 308 GT is the one for you. It's the new E88 automatic gearbox, just like silk, and the 2-litre 180 horsepower engine really does pull. So it's my personal choice as well. I own one of these, so it is a lovely car. Come and have a look. But here's a little closer look for yourself. If you like what you see, do come and have a closer look. Just 25 miles on the clock. This is a proper car. Give us a call on 01305 266 066 to book a test drive or if you'd like further details. Thank you.